Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Who is new here? My name is Zarina, and in today's video we are gonna talk about my love language, which is Chanel. So yesterday I had a spontaneous shopping. I went to the Neiman Marcus to see like what they have, and I saw one lady who was trying a beautiful shoes, so I couldn't help myself. I asked a sales associate immediately to bring my size, and I just ended up getting them. So that was the love from the first sight. And yeah, let me show you what I got. Da-da-da-dam! Now let's take the box. Just look at this beautiful Chanel Kitten Sandals. I got these sandals in black color. I absolutely love this timeless silhouette with a modern twist. Just look at this beautiful heel. It has 3 pearls. It also has CC logo detail on the strap. I bought in size 38 and they're true to size. I love that they have clean and polished look. Can be casual or dressed up. They're gonna work with anything. The comfort was a hit for me because of a few reasons. The shoes have a fixed strap and small heel, and these two things make these shoes very comfortable to walk. And another thing why I like these shoes is because they're matching my Chanel bag with a pearl strap. So usually I don't like this like matchy thing with your bag and shoes, but in this case it matches well, and big bonus for me. Let me show you my bag so you can see what I'm talking about. Here it is. You see? Oh my god, just look at this. Isn't it this cute? Like, pay attention to the heel and the strap. It's just perfect. I'm not planning to wear them together all the time, no. It's just like in case, if I'm wearing very simple outfit and I want it to pop up, I can just add this back and wear these heels and done. I mean, like, it's gonna look amazing. Kitten heels, it's a must-have for spring summer. I also think that every girl needs kitten sandals in their wardrobe since they're very, first of all, comfortable. Also, they can elevate any of your outfit. You can wear it with jeans, or you can wear it with a beautiful fancy dress and go out in the evening. So super diverse. Yeah, that's it for now. There's nothing more to add. I can't wait to style it and show you how it's gonna look on my feet. But for now, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just comment below, and if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.